Hey, what's up guys? And welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited to bring you this little update. As you know, if you watched a few videos ago, I started the $10 to $10,000 flip challenge that Walter and Noblock started, and we sold our first item. So basically the premise of that challenge is you take $10, you go to the thrift store and you only spend $10 and you buy stuff that you can flip. And then once you get the profit for those items, you buy more items with that money that you can flip and then keep rotating that money until you have $10,000. So the first item that we sold is back here in this little bin. This is what I'm using for my 10K challenge, is this leather fedora. I honestly thought the Nikes would sell first, but this leather fedora, we paid $2 for this, if I remember correctly, $2, and we sold it for $39, free shipping. It weighs less than a pound. So it's gonna go in a small cardboard box, neatly packaged and sent to the buyer, and then we'll take our money and go buy more stuff today. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is start off by going into Vendu, and we're going to look up this hat. This is a fedora. Open that up, and we're gonna say that we sold it on eBay, and then it's going to delist from Poshmark and Mercari. All right, so there we go. It's marked as sold, and now we're going to go over to eBay and look at what we've got here. I'm actually gonna break this up into two windows. We'll split the screen. We're dealing with the 10 to 10K 2021 spreadsheet. We're gonna go over here and look at our orders. And we can see the fedora down here sold for $39 plus tax. So we're gonna go up here. We already have the fedora marked in because part of this spreadsheet that we're using is that you log your items in with all their information so that you can track everything. How shipped, we're gonna say, well, let's ship it first before we say that. We're going to purchase the shipping label. We're not sure how we're shipping it. Let's go over here and actually get this thing prepped to ship. We're gonna use an eBay cardboard box, I believe. Before I tape up the box, I like to just kind of mock it up and make sure the item's gonna fit neatly. All right, so this fits in here just like that. Because of the natural shape of the hat, it was able to fit in there in sort of like lengthwise. I'm going to take this, and then, so this weighs, fully packed weighs 12.3 ounces. So we're gonna round up to 13 ounces. 0, 13, 14, 7, 5. So that shipping first class is going to be $5.27. So we're gonna say on here, FC for first class, price sold at $39, shipping cost $5.27. Let's actually purchase that so we know that we purchased it. All right, cool. Sale date was, and then we have to log this as sold on eBay. Once you log it as sold on eBay, it should update. All right, cool. So we are $27 in the profit, 1,282% ROI. We're up $24. So not bad. We're gonna take our $27 and go back to the store today and buy more stuff.
All right, guys, so basically the premise of this challenge is that you take $10 and you go buy stuff. I already mentioned that. The way I was going to do this was I was going to buy the items, wait till they all sold, then come back with all the numbers, let you know, and then continue on. But in thinking about that, I realized there's opportunity cost where we're losing steam doing that. Currently what I'm doing, and I don't know how this will change in the future, but right now, while we are starting small, I'm going to make a video probably just about every single item just to keep you up to date. Meaning, instead of waiting for all 3 of those items to sell before I bring you an update video, one of them sold, we're going to take that money, instead of letting it just sit in the bank account until the other 2 sell, we're gonna take that money and we're just gonna go and buy more items. I'm hoping this is the right move to make and will help continue to build steam as we go. It could take a day or a week or another month for that pair of shoes in the backpack to sell. So while we were waiting for those, we'll at least take this money and go out and buy some more items. I will keep you updated on that. The goal is to get to $10,000 in cold hard cash by the end of the year. Let's see if we can do it.
All right, guys, we're out here at the thrift. I decided to hit up the DAV thrift store today because it does have a discount for military veterans, and we need to stretch those dollars for this challenge. So let's get in there and see what we can find.
So I totally missed this pair of Vibram 5 fingers. I was paying attention to a different pair of shoes and missed the Vibram 5 fingers. Needless to say, I'm going back tomorrow to get them.
All right, guys, so we finished up at that thrift store. I think I'm gonna have to hit another thrift store because, well, I'm definitely gonna have to hit another thrift store to finish up with my budget. However, I did get this pair of Vans, kind of mids. They're not quite lows. They were $10, 20% off for military, so I got $2 off that. Paid $8 for these. Confident that I can get 29 to 35-ish. With all of this stuff, I'm going to be listing a lot of it on Facebook Marketplace as well, just to get more eyeballs on the item. And then I got this very good condition Nike Golf Polo. It was $7 minus 20%. And so we're looking at like $5.60 for this shirt. And these go for about $20 plus shipping every single day. That is the deal there. So let's go on to the next store and see what we can find there. All right, guys, we're at stop number 2. This is Goodwill. There will be no discounts today, and the remaining budget is $13. So 13 bucks to spend. We got to find at least one thing in here that we can flip for double money. All right, guys, we locked it in, got 3 pairs of shoes. I bought one pair for $3 because it was youth, but they're reselling for $60. Bought another pair that's youth for $3, but they're reselling for $70, I think. And then got a third pair that was an adult pair that should have been $5.50, but he rang them up as $3. And those are reselling for $70 to $120. I'm gonna go for the $70 range simply because they are just a little bit worn. However, still usable and in good condition. So we locked it in here. Only spent $9 of our $14. So I'm just gonna hold the rest of the money until the next sourcing trip. So I will share those things with you whenever we get back to the office. All right, guys, so it is super hot in my office and the AC is blasting. It's very loud. So we're not gonna actually go in there and finish this video. We're gonna finish it here in the van. I am home. I am at the office space. And so we're gonna jump into this bag and I'll just show you the 3 pairs that I got that should return us, man, like 15x potentially. The first pair is this pair of gray and peach Nike Huaraches. This is a youth pair, but the pair that was sold on eBay sold as a women's. So I'm gonna list it as a, I think it's a 7 youth, and I'm going to
List that as 7 youth / women's 8.5. Really excellent condition. I'm going to clean these up. I'm just going to kind of spot clean them because they're not very dirty at all. Once again, I paid $3. Comps for these are 60. The next pair is this pair of Jordans. I'm not sure what this pair is called. I don't have the title of it directly in front of me. They are dirty, so we're going to pick the gunk off the bottom. We're going to clean them up, get them spruced up, and get them listed. This pair as youth was selling for $70 plus shipping. And then finally, this pair of Jordan 1 snake skin. I don't know the full name off the top of my head. This pair right here is selling currently on eBay in good, clean condition for $70 to $120 plus shipping. I'm pumped about it. This is great. This is a very good haul for today. It was difficult going into that store, that second store, because they had so many good pairs of shoes. I picked up so many and ended up putting them back so that I can stick with this challenge and not kind of stray from it. Definitely going to go back there in the next day or so and scoop up some more shoes. They were just laid out everywhere. Shoes were insane in that store. Overall, I'm very happy with today's sourcing selection. Time to go get them cleaned up and listed, and I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. I want to say thank you for joining into this video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your views. I value that. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. If you did like this video or anything we picked up in the video, leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. It's something that is free for you to do that helps the channel out greatly to push the channel and get it in front of other people who have similar interest as you and me. And with all of that being said, I'll see you on the next video.